Yo, you got the juice now, man.
What's up guys, Pizzle's Tech Time, back again with another video. And today, I got something pretty exciting for you. I just did the unboxing for the Galaxy S9 Plus, and now I'm going to do the unboxing for the Gear S3 Frontier Edition. Now I already had the Gear S2, now I'm doing the Gear S3. I'm pretty excited for this one. It has connectivity to your smartphone. This actually has its own SIM card, so you can get phone calls when you're away from your phone. So if I want to walk out of the house without my phone, I will still get phone calls, I will still get text messages. It does not rely on your phone's Bluetooth connection for that type of stuff. Now, unlike the Gear S2, this watch has a speaker, and it also has a bigger battery, so you don't have to worry about the battery dying every single day. That was some of the issues that I was facing with my Gear S2. Also, this watch has more of a rubber band. Also, you can change the watch band. This watch band is interchangeable with any watch band you want. So a lot of people have really liked this watch. So I'm pretty excited to do an unboxing for you guys, so I'm just going to get right into it. But let me first tell you that I got a pretty good deal on this from Verizon. The phones were buy one, get one free, and the phones just came out yesterday, and they're already doing a buy one, get one free with a new line activation. Great deal already, $150 off the smartwatch. So I paid $250 for the smartwatch, and it's going to be $10 a month to keep it activated. It does have its own line, but it's going to have my phone number. So that line is more for data. It's just so Verizon can charge me per month for it. It's a little strange, but I guess that's how it works. So what I'm going to do here is just unbox this, and we're going to find out what comes in this. Alright guys, let's do it. So there's some plastic around it right here. Flip it to the side. And then we've got this right here. I don't know why it's here, but it's here, so. We like that, don't we? Oh yeah, nice and smooth. Very strange packaging. They put plastic over the front of the box. I mean, had to do it, right guys? We just had to do it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the top off, and you can see the watch right there. And it spins. Well, I guess it doesn't spin. It should spin. Yeah, it does spin. Okay. So it pops right out there. We've got some plastic around the bezel there. I'll bring you guys over here. Why don't you come a little closer? Okay, guys. So we've got the front of the watch here. And as we take it out, we see we've got the bezel here. And it turns. Nice clickiness to it. Hopefully once we take all the pieces off. Wow. It's got a nice thud to it when you click it. It's like very nice feel to that. I really like the feeling of that. The last watch did not take nearly as much force to spin it, so this needs to come off right here because otherwise you won't be able to see the watch. Turn it on. Nice smell. Smells like factory. Got some plastic on the back there as well, and some kind of QR code. Do not know why that's there. Okay, so it's already my phone is already detecting it. So this right here is the heart rate monitor. This will monitor your heart rate. Really cool device right here. And we're gonna select English, so we need to download the app. But let's just see what else comes in this. And let's actually see if this even fits. As you can see, it's a little bit too much slack there. So hopefully it comes with a smaller one. But that screen is just beautiful. Just looks beautiful. Nice big Nice big screen right there. Nice big beautiful screen. Nice and clicky. I like it, but I do not like this strap hanging off, so let's see if this comes with anything else. We've got a charger, we've got a cable, and we've got the same exact charging base that the last one came with. So now I've got an extra one which can plug in at my computer. Actually, no, it's not the same one, because this one actually has a deeper well, because the cup is actually thicker because the watch is bigger. So that makes sense. So let's look in here. And to my surprise, we have a smaller watch band, guys, for little guys like me. Let's see what type of cable this uses. I'd be interested to find out if it uses USB-C. No, it doesn't. Oh, damn it. They're still using micro USB for this. I don't know why they don't just move all their accessories to USB-C. Maybe there's no point, but I would think that if their smartphones are USB-C, it might be time to move everything to USB-C. Let's see. This is not a fast charger. It's just a regular charger. So as you can see right here, it just says Samsung. So you can pretty much plug this USB into any old USB. It'll work fine. Now, I like the feeling of this rubber. It's pretty comfortable. It doesn't feel like as brash as the leather did. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how difficult it is to remove this. So you usually have to press this thing and it pops right off. Okay, that was pretty easy. So this thing is just a little bit hard to press. Ah. Okay. So we've got it, and I only scratched it up a tiny bit right there. You're gonna have to move this one down a little bit with this rubber. Because as you can see, if you move it too far up here, it'll flop up a little bit, and I don't like that. So just keep in mind that you might want to move that down a little bit, just to keep that front plate down. And I like how big this is, because then you don't have to keep it so tight, and it feels really nice. So I'm gonna have to download and connect this Gear watch, and now we're looking good. And I will just agree to all. Looking fresh. Black on black. Like it. It says it's activating my watch. So I'll see you back in a minute when this is all set. Alright guys, so I'm back. I've got the watch activated and I'm pretty much all set. So it looks pretty cool. I tried to make a phone call on it and the speaker seems to be working pretty well. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the watch. I think it looks pretty cool. And bigger is better in my opinion. Bigger battery life, bigger screen, brighter screen, more features, standalone phone capability, its own SIM card. All this stuff is great. I'm very happy with it. I'll have to follow up with you guys once I've used it for a little while and let you guys know what I think. But thanks for watching, guys. If you're watching one of my videos for the first time, I do tech videos weekly. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to get notified every time I drop a video. And really, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you taking the time on your day. I had a pretty rough day today. I had a really bad migraine, and I'm really not feeling well, but I was really excited to get this stuff, so I wanted to at least make a quick video. So I really just want to say thanks for watching, guys, and sorry if I'm not as upbeat as I normally am. I'm really not feeling well, so thanks for being understanding, guys, and thanks for watching. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.